Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be, outside another new construction. Today, we're talking about bricks and stones, man. As you see behind me, I got a new construction house. It hasn't always looked like this, so I talked about the roof once before and how to pick out colors for your roof. Then I talked about trim and how to pick out colors for your trim. But now we're on bricks and stone. So let me walk around this house. Let me talk to you as I walk. Now this house looks amazing. You see how that white and that mirror, I mean not that mirror, but the white and that window looks up against this right here. This looks, whoa, I almost fell in a hole. It looks great. We didn't go with the stone all the way on the side of the house, but as you see, just walking around on the outside of the house, how awesome it looks. And then look at that roof, that looks amazing. Let me take you around here to the back. Let me show you what the backyard looks like, or the back of the house looks like. So it all flows together. It all looks good. It all matches. It all is a successful product. Now I own this house, and this house. We'll go to this one here in a minute, but they're all the same house, all on the same floor plan. But the reason why I chose this color, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I didn't even choose the color. I just kind of let my GC choose the color, kind of freelance. I don't really sweat them too much about colors or stones. I just tell them what I want and tell them to make it look good. And this is the products that I come up with. But this is a really nice house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage. I believe this house is 1,400 square feet, but bricks and stones, man, makes a big difference. I'll show you videos of this house or pictures of this house before I put these bricks and stones on it. You didn't really know what it was gonna look like. But now that you see the end difference with these bricks and these stones on here, it really, really, really separates you from everybody else. Let's look around in the neighborhood. So this is the house directly in front of me. You see what it looks like. Let me show you my house. Bricks and stones. Now, there are some other fairly new construction homes on this street. Here's another house over here. This is not mine, but this is I'm assuming it's a 1-car garage. It's brick. So you see this house doesn't have any stone on it, and you see how it looks. Now this is another one of my houses right here. Same floor plan, same design, brick and stone, brick and stone, brick and stone. So as you see, that stone, I've only built one house without stone. I did it with brick, and I'll show you that house. It kind of looked like a prison, to be honest with you. It really didn't look homey. You know what I mean? It didn't feel like, oh, wow. But here's the other house that I'm building right now, and this is the stone. This is a darker version. And you see the stone and the brick that's on it. You know what I mean? Like, this stuff looks good. I'm gonna take you around the back of this one. Come on, let's go. So this was black. The trim was black on the outside. I went with this stone, went with a dark color brick with some black in it. Now let's walk around and let me show you what it, there goes a lizard right there. I got a lot of trash out here in the yard. Sorry, look at that lizard. See that lizard? He moving. Anyway, bricks and stones, and you see how light this garage is and how it looks. Like, oh, that's nice. That's cool. Come around here and let's look at the back of the house. Same thing. I didn't go stone on the back, on the sides, because it's kind of a waste. Nobody really sees it. You know what I mean? Come back here. I need to do some landscaping. I'm gonna put up a fence too. But if you come around here to the back, the roof, So I basically, you see a little bit of the brick right here. See this other house that I built, it's gray back. And it's gray all the way around. So you see my theme. You see the other house over there, it's white. So you kind of get the gist of it, of how it all flows. And this is really what you really want in a new construction and a product. If you're an investor, if you're a flipper, or whatever it is you're doing, even if you're building your own home, I feel like, oh, let me get it back on me. I feel like details make the difference. Details make you can have the worst house in the world, but if you make it look good, like these look great, like you can make you some money. You can make you some money. And it sets apart from everything in the neighborhood. Let me show you this house directly in front of. So you got this house, this is my house, brick, stone. Now let me show you the house. Hopefully I'm gonna go in the yard, but you see the house directly, I hope it's on there, in front of me. There's no stones, it's just a brick, and see how it looks. It's cool, because it's cool, but that stone makes a difference. That stone makes a big difference. So if you're an investor, if you're a homeowner, and you're thinking about, you know, upgrading your house or doing something different, and to be honest with you, this doesn't even cost a lot. You see these stones, I think I spent $400 for this. Believe it or not, I think these stones cost about 400 bucks. So, you know, do your research on what you're doing before you become a real estate investor, because small things like this can end up to big profits, and that's what we're here for, man. At the end of the day, is to give out the best product for the best price. So Lakeith buys houses and land. Click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, because I do this for real, not for play. So if you got a deal too, if you're a wholesaler, if you're a bird dog, if you're a realtor, if you work at a title company, if you own a brokerage, whatever you do, and you coming across real estate, if these people don't perform, guess what? I will, because I buy, and I need all I can get. And I'm partners with the banks and the asset accumulation institutions and the trust companies. And I'm playing with the house's money, and the house always wins. So let's win together.